children, how are you all? I hope you are all good and safe at home. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn a new topic in our class. Today in our maths class, we are going to learn a new topic that is comparing numbers. Today we are in Block 4, Lesson 2, Comparing Numbers. What is comparing numbers? Before we go into the topic, let me ask a question. Okay, children? Now you tell me, who is older in your family? You or your mother? How do you know? Yes, our mothers are older than us. We can compare our age with our mother's age to find out who is older. Okay? Today we will learn how to compare two numbers up to 200. Up to 200. Now look here, children. Here you can see 103 and 123 numbers. Let us compare these two numbers by using place value blocks. 103 and 123. In these two numbers, 100 places are same. So, in 103 there is 100. In 123 also there is only 100. Now, coming to the tens place, in the first number there are 0 tens. In the second number there are 2 tens. Means 0 is smaller than 2. Now, coming to the ones place, in 103 there are 3 ones. In 123 there are 3 ones. Means both ones are same. Now let us say which number is bigger or greater. In 103 there is 100, 0 tens and 3 ones, and 123 there are 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. So 123 is greater than 103. So this is the way how to compare the numbers by using place value blocks. Okay. Now let us watch a small video on comparing numbers.
Comparing numbers. Part 1. Children, in this module, let us learn about comparing different numbers. Children, before moving any further, let us first understand this problem. Saurabh has scored 79 marks in science and has scored 143 marks in maths. Can you tell in which subject he has scored more marks? No. Okay. Let us discuss. Place 79 and 143 together as shown. Children, 79 has 2 digits, whereas 143 has 3 digits. So, a very important point to remember is that the number with more number of digits is the bigger number than the other number. In this case, 143 is a bigger number than 79, as 143 has 3 digits and 79 has 2 digits. But in case we want to compare 135 and 167, here, if you see, both the numbers have an equal number of digits, that is 3. So, what should we do in this case? So, in this case, we have to follow some steps. Let us first place the numbers as shown. First, start from the 100th digit. Compare the 100th digit of both the numbers. Here, both the digits in the hundreds place are same. So we move on to the next digit. On comparing the digits in the tens place, we find that 6 is more than 3. Hence, 167 is greater than 135. Hence, the rule becomes, for comparing the numbers with equal digits, we compare each digit starting from the extreme left. But in case both the hundreds and tens digits are same, in that case, we will compare the digit in the ones place. For example, in this case of 156 and 158, digits in both hundreds and tens places are equal. Hence, we will compare the digits in ones place. On comparing the digits in ones place, we find that 8 is more than 6. Hence, 158 is greater than 156.
Now let us look into the content book page number 20 and 21. Here you can see, children, how to compare the numbers by looking at the place values. Here example is given. Once you go through this example, the number 145 and 149, which is the greater number. If you look at these two numbers, both the numbers have same 100 place and same tens place. Coming to the ones place, in 145 there are 5 ones and in 149 there are 9 ones. So 149 is greater than 145. When we are comparing the digits starting from the highest place, if the digit at the highest place are the same, we move to the next place. Means first we have to see at 100 place, then we have to go to tens place. At last we have to compare the ones place of the given numbers. Like this we can compare the numbers. Now go to workbook page number 80. Write today's date. Then come to first question. The first question is, you have to write whether these statements are true or false. Okay. Read the first statement. 567 has 567 has 5 hundreds, 6 tens and 7 ones. Either it is true or false. Think and write. Okay. Now move to next bit. 702 equals to 70 plus 0 plus 2. Is it true or false? 702 equals to 70 plus 0 plus 2. Think a while and write here. Now let us go to next bit. Write the numbers in the boxes. Compare the numbers using greater than, less than or equals to. So here numbers are given 131, 130. Which is greater? It's already done for you. Then you have to look at the B and C bits and compare the place value blocks and write which has more number. Here you can see 200s. Here you can see 200s. Like the first you have to look at the 100 place, then you have to look at the tens place. At last you have to look at the ones place. Like that, compare the place value blocks and write which is greater or lesser or equals to. Okay, now move to third bit. The third question is, Shruti buys a book for 174 and a lunch box 154. Which item costs more? Here two items costs are given. You have to compare and you have to write which item is more cost, which item has more cost and which has less cost, and write the reason also. Okay children? Now let us move to page number 23 in content book. In page number 23 we have to do lesson 2 comparing numbers in HW. Okay, this is homework part children. First question is, write the numbers in expanded form. Expanded form means you have to divide the given number into hundreds, tens and ones. For example, 572. How you will write this number into expanded form? Here in this number, how many hundreds are there? Right, 5 hundreds. Good. Plus, how many tens you have? 7. Good. 7 tens means 70. Then move to ones place. How many ones are there? 2 ones. So this is the expanding form of 572. So you have to do for B and C, D also like this. Okay. Then second bit is fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equals to. You have to compare the given numbers and write which is greater or which is lesser. And third one is, there are 82 yellow fish and 72 blue fish in a pond. Which color has a smaller number of fish? Compare 82 and 72 and write which number of fish are lesser. Okay children, you have to do this 3 bits in HW book. Okay. All the best. I hope you understood the concept.